Christmas is coming, so there's plenty of things going on here at Excel Church. That includes nativity services, Christmas Eve, so much, including the Christmas Fest, and you can bring all your family and friends along for the fun and festivities. So head to the foyer after church, grab a leaflet and a flyer with all the details on, and of course for New Year too with the crossover event. You don't want to miss out on any of it, so make sure you pick up one of those so you can stay up to date.
Christmas! Not really, it's just me. But hey kids, you're really excited and looking forward to Christmas. It will soon be around, but we need you to get involved. Yes, we've got our Christmas play, which we're going to be doing, and rehearsals start tomorrow. So if you would like to be involved in our Christmas play, we need you to get your parents to sign you up. We'd love to have you involved with it. It's going to be absolutely brilliant. If you can't make all the rehearsals, don't worry, you can still be involved. Everyone can be involved in some way, and you can find out more on our website. I will give you the address in a moment, but also at the same place you can sign up for our Christmas party. So if you'd like to come along to the Christmas party, which is going to be at Go Kids Go, then please, again, you need to sign up. So get your parents to sort that for you. The place you need to go is excelchurch.org.uk/kids at Christmas, and we will see you at our Christmas party and also our rehearsals and our performance of the Christmas play.
Our annual celebration is happening here at Excel Church on Saturday the 29th of November, and this is for any partners of our church that want to come along and hear what's been going on over the year. So it's imperative that you do join us for that. But you have to respond. You will have an email, okay? Have a look at your junk, have a look at your spam. You'll have an email and you need to respond to it by Wednesday the 26th so that we know catering. So have a look in your emails, look for that for the annual celebration, and join us for that on Saturday the 29th of November. So this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours. That's all for church news. Have a great week, guys.